Jacob Bush, Sarah Cagle, Lexi Collins, Jacoby Colburn, Liam Countryman,
I like that dress you got. That's cute.
Leonardo Davis,
Josiah, stop.
Gabriella Dexter Smack, Kathy Din,
Put that in your mouth.
Natalie Dukes, Juliet Espinoza, Ben Everton, Peyton Fannin, Rebecca Faree, Haley Burrows, Nicholas Garcia, Soleil Gomez Ortiz, Simon Gwynn,
My baby. Nigga.
Mason Hay,
They're my baby.
Look at my baby.
That's my baby.
Look at my baby. You go, Mayor. You get it, Mayor Man.
That's mom saying get it, Mayor Man.
Oh, here, Mayor Man.
Where you go?
Yeah,
There you
Mayor Man,
go.
trying to get up there.
Got his black shirt on today.
Yeah, I was like, this is what I'm wearing. He got so tall. Mayor Man is in the rail. I don't know how he doing this thing.
Aaliyah Houchins, Devin Hughes Hillard, Lillian Johnson, Ryan Judy, Brooklyn Larimore, Jackson Lathberry, Ella Marquez, Sophia Martinez Espinoza, Ava Marble,
Oh,
Eli
Ava.
Mackin,
So that's Angel right
Lily
there.
Farland, Angel
I ain't got
Mendez
no hair bunnies.
Escalante, Damon Mendez Yacht, Alden Mercer, Kelsey Messick,
What is that necktie on? They wrote the gray shirt on with the necktie.
Aiden Neal, Daniel Nelson,
What is Mayor looking at?
Brianna Knox,
That's my guy right there in the black. He's looking at everyone come up.
Haley Parsons, Christian Powell,
This is the straight A's honor
Christian
roll.
Richard Smith,
My guy gets straight A's every marking period since he's been in
Paloma
kindergarten.
Rylan Rowe, Mariana
Look at all these kids.
Aubriana
Straight A's.
Shores, Brian Schrock, Jayla Smith, Kennedy Smith, Cameron Sutton Quails,
All these
Doris
children.
Zwinsky, Derek Vasquez Mendez, Maria Jose Velasquez,
Josiah is messing with
Kevin Velasquez
the runaway. My runaway is messing with the children in front of us.
Darius Wall,
He keeps putting gum on them. He's bad.
Amanda Walton, Olivia Webb, and William Weiss.
You see Mayor? He's happy. Is he happy?
That's a big one. That on the road. Look at that.
Yes,
Look at
all
that.
these children got
on
straight
the road.
A's.
Hey. Awesome.
How awesome is that?
It is. And then you go with the bunnies in the hair. With the haircut. All right. That's awesome.
Grace and mommy.
What are you doing? You eating my clothes. Is it good?
Nope, no more gum. He's bothering these kids, Josiah.
Why kids up there, man?
Stop, Si. These keeps messing with the children. Stop, Si. Oh, he's friendly. This one's friendly. He's waving to him.
You better go way over here. Look.
He just wants me to get some good pictures of him.
Is that his friend?
I don't know who that is, I'm guessing. I never met him.
Yeah.
But then again, I didn't do lunch at all this year with him yet. So I haven't met none of his new friends. What is he doing? He's just talking.
Yes, my mom.
That's the principal, Mr. Sears. How cool is this? That is a Bible verse on their wall. I love it. I love this school. They put God first. It's been here for years. Look at that. And yes, it's a public school. There's my guide looking upset to sit down at his. There's talking to his teacher. He already went up for perfect attendance. Yeah, that's his teacher. He's going to the bathroom. Josiah, please leave the people. Look, this is what I go through at honor roll assemblies.
Stop.
When I bring Josiah with me.
Stop.
He puts his hands on people.
Stop.
Stop.
This is real beside me in a minute.